Is there ever a justifiable reason for the destruction of a city not primarily involved in warfare? This question takes us back to the World War II bombings of Dresden. This German city, known for its rich culture and civilian life, was not a major player in the war. However, between February 13 and 15, 1945, Dresden found itself the target of an intense aerial bombardment by British and American Allied forces. The resulting firestorm caused catastrophic destruction and loss of life. The decision to target Dresden has been a point of contention amongst scholars. Some argue it was a war crime, given the city's lack of military significance. Others, however, argue it was part of a broader strategy to dismantle German morale and disrupt their transportation and communication systems. The bombings of Dresden, a city of culture and civilians, is a subject that continues to stir historical debate. Between February 13 and 15, 1945, Dresden experienced the wrath of war like never before. In the chilling depths of a European winter, the city of Dresden found itself targeted by the combined forces of the British and American allies. Over the course of these 3 fateful days, a relentless downpour of incendiary and high-explosive bombs turned the city into an inferno. The bombing campaign was nothing short of catastrophic. The city, once known for its rich cultural heritage, was reduced to rubble and ash. The bombs ignited a firestorm, a devastating phenomenon where fires merge into a single, all-consuming blaze. The firestorm swept through the city, leaving behind a trail of destruction and a death toll that soared into the tens of thousands. What makes the bombing of Dresden particularly contentious is the city's status at the time. Unlike other German cities that were heavily industrialized or key military targets, Dresden was largely a civilian and cultural center. The decision to bomb it has been a subject of historical debate and controversy, a question mark hanging over the morality of war. The bombing of Dresden, a symbol of controversial area bombing tactics, led to an immense loss of life and citywide destruction. It stands as a stark reminder of the devastating power of warfare and the ethical dilemmas it so often poses. The aftermath of the bombings left more than just physical destruction. It left us grappling with the morality of war, questioning the gray areas between strategic necessity and war crimes. Dresden, a cultural hub, was left in ruins, tens of thousands of lives lost. Was it a strategic move or an unnecessary show of power? Historians and war scholars continue to debate on the moral and strategic justifications of the bombing. The bombing of Dresden remains a stark reminder of the devastating impact of war, and a symbol of the ongoing debate about the ethics and strategy of wartime tactics.